Let me show you a recent transformation we did on a Range Rover Sport. I'm James from Hadrian's Vehicle Services. Now, this owner of this Range Rover came to us and was covered in swirl marks. Years of automatic car washes had taken their toll on the vehicle. The paint was dull, the swirls were visible even from a distance. It looked nothing like it should. We started with a full decontamination wash, clear bar treatment to remove bonded contaminants from the paintwork, then a stage 2 paint correction. A cutting compound to remove heavy swirls, followed by a refinement polish that gives it that perfect finish. Finally, we applied a 5-year ceramic coating to protect all that work. The total time for this was 2 days. Look at the transformation in deep, glossy black, mirror-like reflections, zero swirls, and this is what the paint should have looked like all along. The owner couldn't believe it was the same car when he received it back. In his words, he was over the moon. Now, this is what we do at Hadrian's. We bring cars back to their best. If your car's lost its shine, get in touch and we'd love to help. I'm James from Hadrian's, and I'll see you next time.